Today we're at the Edwards Gardens, and it's a free botanical garden that you can go around. It's quite big. On Thursdays in the afternoons they have a farmer's market as well. So it's just going to be a beautiful, gardeny, flowery kind of day. I think the address is 755 St. Lawrence East. So if you put it in Google Maps, you'll find it.
È stata una botta di umidità.
Garden, and look at this squash right here. Amazing. And they have bees too, but I missed the bee show. I love weeping willows. This is a really beautiful park. I really think that if you do visit Toronto and you have some time, that you should come visit. It's gorgeous.
She was near to eat the libellula. I don't know the name in English. Dragonfly? See, the dragonfly she was near to eat.
This is very beautiful. Yeah, Canada is a big country. Toronto is a big city, and there are so many green spaces. I'm stacking the goose. They're so cute. Ciao. There's this little hut and people scratched stuff into it. The grass is very, very green. In Toronto, the sun is very strong. And the air is quite clean too.
This is
The maple is a beautiful tree. So sap, maple syrup, comes from the bark. You have to put like a tap in here and it'll start dripping when the tree is dormant. So when it gets colder.
Where did it go? Maybe he's not hungry anymore.
I will tell you later.
I think he lost his nut. Uh-oh. Oh no, it fell that way. It was, what happened?
More cold than
Those places are colder than Toronto.
Maybe he's just nervous that we're there. I wonder whether that's maybe not.
But if you go to the middle of the country,
He was eating a nut and he lost his nut.
it's -50.
Pickering Village Square. Okay, we came to a restaurant called Safari in Ajax. This restaurant here is called Safari. So on this side of the street, across the street, is this church and this beautiful cemetery. So this is the spinach and roasted garlic goat cheese dip with nachos. The dip is actually very good. Okay, this is the coconut curry and the sweet potato fries and the burger, which looks amazing. He got the trout with mashed potato puree and vegetables. And this is fish taco, and they made it look more like a wrap, and I got it with the salad.